Denny the Flat Broke Air Gunner, and today we're going to take a trip. It's rainy and crappy, but we're still headed out. We're going to the Midwest Airgun Show in Ohio. Was it Groves, Ohio, or something like that? We're leaving a little late, so we just realized that it stops at 3:30, and it's already, it's 9 to 3:30, and it's already like 10, and it's 3 hours away. So we're going to cut this short. We're going to get on the road, and we'll have video and footage of everything coming up. Stay tuned. Here comes the Midwest Airgun Show. What's poppin', Air Gunners? I'm Denny the Flat Broke Air Gunner, and today we're at the Midwest Airgun Show in Ohio, and ran into some friends that are on Facebook and part of the FBA family, and we talk all the time. Come on in, fellas. As you can see, we're going to be doing a giveaway here at the show, so we're going to give you a 760 Pump Master, which was donated by Moose from Airguns of Michigan. We're going to be giving you a Red Rider, which this one was given. This is by me. Getting ammo, 2 pairs of shooting glasses, getting 2 patches, and 2 decals. So bring you guys into the FBA family. We don't want anything from you. We just want you guys to be safe, have fun shooting. Always wear your shooting glasses when you're shooting. I want to thank you guys for coming out and having a good time at the show.
All right, thanks.
They had a great time, and they ended up picking up a door prize or a raffle prize here, so it's been a good day. I didn't think it was really going to be as big as a show as it is. It's really, really a nice show, and it's a nice facility here. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, not only does your viewership, but your friendship truly means a lot to me. Always be a straight shooter. Always wear your shooting glasses when you're shooting. Stay flat broke for life, people. Love you. God bless.